Hey, what's up guys? This is Fabb and welcome back to my channel. Now for this video, we will be testing out a wireless microneedling device, which is the Tbphp P10 microneedling pen. So if you're curious about this product, then keep on watching. Hey guys, today I'm back with another product review, and for this video I will be demonstrating how I do my microneedling therapy at home using the Tbphp's P10 microneedling device. But before that, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future video like this. So microneedling therapy is also called collagen induction therapy. What it does is, number one, it pricks the skin to induce collagen production. So collagen is something that helps your skin repair itself. What microneedling does is that it tricks your skin or your body that your face is injured so that it will produce collagen to heal the pricked area of the skin. And also, since the area is pricked, number two is that it allows maximum penetration of any drug or cosmetic products that you use during the microneedling process. So what are the things that you need to start this microneedling therapy? First, we need to numb the skin, so we're gonna use topical lidocaine. And also we need serums such as hyaluronic acid to make the microneedling process smooth. Needle will not tug the skin, and also to infuse your skin with really good stuff. We are going to use this hyaluronic acid from Ordinary, but you can use other brands. This is optional, but I really recommend putting a face mask after your microneedling session so that your more nutrients can be absorbed by your skin for better results. And now we go to our microneedling device, which is the Tbphp microneedling pen. The box includes the microneedling device, the adapter, and this 12-pin needle. Okay guys, so the first step of microneedling is to wash your face. Yes, we need a clear canvas, and you don't want your skin to absorb like oil and dirt and gunk and makeup that you have throughout the day, so wash your skin first. I will go to the bathroom to remove my foundation, and I will be revealing the true condition of my skin in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I removed all my makeup. For the purpose of this vlog, I did not remove my false eyelashes. Okay guys, so this is my bare face. As you can see, I have a lot of acne scars, and here and here. And okay, one thing that I need to stress out guys is that you use it on acne scars, not cystic acne, because for example, you prick an active acne, you will be spreading all the pus and the dirt and the bacteria all over your face, and your face will be worse. What I have here, you can see what I have here are acne scars, also here on the right side of my face. I do have isolated cases like this one and this one and this one. I will be avoiding them. The next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna apply lidocaine, and I'm just using a Korean brand. A lot of people have been asking me, can you use the microneedling without lidocaine? And I can tell you, you can, but you will experience excruciating pain. So I suggest, if you have money, invest of a good lidocaine. We just need a thin layer of it for it to work. So we're gonna put it all over the areas that we will be using the microneedling on. So I'm putting it on my forehead, my chin, my cheeks, and I think that's it. Okay, so now that we have applied the lidocaine, we will wait for 30 to 45 minutes for it to work, and then we will be rinsing it off, and we will start microneedling right after. So I'll be back after a short break. Okay, so now we will talk about the Beauty Philosophy's P10 Microneedling pen. My favorite thing about this is that it is wireless. It's really portable. You can use it without plugging it in to an adapter or a charging port, and I think it really makes the experience more convenient. Looking at the material of the product, it's metal, it's slightly heavy, and it really looks like modern, futuristic. And the other thing that you need is the 12-pin needle. So this is stereo. This is ideal for just one use so that you don't cross-contaminate and you don't make your face worse. So just open it and ooh, it looks different. So this is the 12-pin needle. The mechanism of the microneedle is that it will go up and down, up and down, up and down. So to assemble this microneedle, all you have to do is insert this on the tip and then screw it in. And so this is your microneedle. And then to open this device, you need to press this for at least 2 seconds. And then, as you can see, okay, if you can see, it's really fast. When you open this, it will be red, which is the fastest rate. There are 5 speed settings that you can choose from. And another key feature of this microneedle is that you can adjust the needle length up from 0.25 to 2 millimeters. Alright, so it's really easy to set up. I mean, put the pin here and then click a button and adjust this dial, and you can start doing your microneedling at home. Okay guys, so this is our hyaluronic acid, and we're gonna start by microneedling the forehead. I will be using this hyaluronic acid. Okay, we're gonna put some. So I'm gonna spread it to the entire forehead first, and I will be using red because loving him is red. So what I like to do is I pass the forehead or the area 3 times. So I do it horizontally and then vertically and then diagonally. Or if you want, you could just go in circles like that. Don't overdo it. So I just limit going over the area 3 times. Okay, let's start. So this is red. Ooh, that's red. We're doing the vertical. And then last is the diagonal. Okay, and then for the cheek, I will be going deeper around maybe 1.5. So my left cheek is done. I'm bleeding here, but that's fine. That's the point. Not really the point, but if you're bleeding, I mean, it's okay. And you're done! So what I like to do is either I put on more hyaluronic acid, or better, you can put on a mask that is of your choice. Any mask that you would prefer, you can use it over this so that it can absorb more nutrients, and then the results will be better. Okay, what are the post microneedling care that you should remember? Number one, don't go under the sun tomorrow. If it cannot be avoided, go outside you wearing sunscreen, although you should be wearing sunscreen every day. And then number two, don't wear any makeup. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so now let's go to my final thoughts about the product. I really appreciate the convenience of being portable, being wireless, and you know, I could go anywhere because I don't need to think about the cord or if the cord will reach my face. So another thing that I like about it is the design of the needle. If you notice, it has grooves, and the reason for it having grooves is so that the serum or whatever it is that you use for gliding the microneedle not to be stuck in the actual needle, because it has happened to me sometime before when I was using my old one, and I think it's really great. I didn't have problems with it not going up and down anymore, being stuck because of overflowing of the serum collection inside the needle. So that's really great. Also, I appreciate how easy you insert the needle. Before, I really need to look for the actual shape of the thing inside of this to match the butt end of the needle, but here you just screw it in. It has a screw here in the top of the device that can easily screw with the needle itself. So I also like that it has really a simple design. I like that when you open the microneedle, the fastest settings are like the default one. When you open it, I don't press and press and press again unless I want it to be slower. And that's it, guys. I don't know what else to say. I really love this product. If you also want to have yours, go check out their website. I will provide all the links in the description box. It's available in 4 colors. So this is the pink one. They have it in black, silver, and gold. So many colors to choose from. And it's on sale around 30% off. Not only that, the kind people in the Beauty Philosophy also gave us a coupon code that you can use upon checkout to have an additional 5% off. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go ahead and go to the Beauty Philosophy website and order your own microneedling pen. And that's about it for this video. I hope that you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more microneedling tips in the future, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. If you have questions, my comment section is open for you guys. And that's it. Thank you for watching until this part of the video. Hope to see you on the next one. Stay fabulously brave and beautiful.